Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Pointe-du-Chêne is a coastal community in southeastern New Brunswick located at the entrance to Shediac Bay on the Northumberland Strait. It is part of the greater Shediac area and is best known for its marina, sandy beaches, and connection to New Brunswick's fishing heritage. The community has a year-round population of roughly 800 people, although that number increases dramatically during the summer as seasonal residents and visitors arrive to enjoy the coast. The name Pointe-du-Chêne means Point of the Oak in French, reflecting the area's Acadian roots. French-speaking settlers established communities along this coastline long before the expulsion of the Acadians in the mid-1700s. After many Acadian families returned, they rebuilt their communities and preserved their language, traditions, and culture. Today, both French and English are widely spoken, with Acadian culture remaining an important part of local life. Fishing has been central to Pointe-du-Chêne for generations. Lobster is the area's most valuable commercial catch, while crab, oysters, scallops, and other seafood also contribute to the local economy. During lobster season, the harbour becomes especially active as fishing boats leave before sunrise and return with their daily catch. Seafood harvesting, processing, transportation, and equipment services provide employment for many local families. Tourism is another major part of the economy. The community is home to one of New Brunswick's largest marinas, attracting recreational boaters from across Atlantic Canada and beyond. Visitors come to enjoy boating, sailing, fishing, beaches, seafood restaurants, and nearby attractions throughout the warm summer months. One of the area's most recognizable landmarks is the Pointe-du-Chêne Wharf. For well over a century, it has served commercial fishing vessels as well as recreational boats. The harbour continues to be an important gathering place for both residents and visitors, reflecting the community's close connection to the sea. Just a short distance away is Parlee Beach, one of Canada's best-known beaches. The shallow waters of the Northumberland Strait warm quickly during the summer, making them among the warmest saltwater beaches in the country. Thousands of visitors arrive each season to swim, relax on the sand, and enjoy the coastal scenery, helping support local businesses throughout the region. Housing values in Pointe-du-Chêne have increased steadily over recent years, driven by strong demand for coastal properties. The average home price is generally between $400,000 and $550,000, although waterfront homes and cottages often sell for considerably more. Properties located farther inland are usually more affordable while still offering easy access to the shoreline. Although Pointe-du-Chêne is a relatively small community, it has become one of New Brunswick's best-known coastal destinations. Its combination of Acadian history, working waterfront, popular beaches, and access to modern services continues to attract visitors and new residents alike. The balance between commercial fishing, tourism, and everyday community life gives Pointe-du-Chêne a distinctive place along the province's eastern shore. watching!